Hi friends, this is Ramya from Wild Turmeric. In this video, I wanted to share an Ayurvedic keratin treatment that not only smoothens hair but promotes hair growth as well. Keratin treatment is a hair straightening and hair smoothening treatment. In a traditional keratin treatment, formaldehyde-based solution is applied for about 20 minutes and then the hair is blow-dried and flat-ironed. This treatment will eliminate frizz for about 90 days. Though formaldehyde does not cause too many problems if used once in a while, frequent usage can cause respiratory problems in some people. So I would suggest doing it in reputed salons and not often. And please do follow the instructions they give after doing the treatment to prevent any side effects. Personally, I prefer to do keratin treatment at home using natural ingredients that does not cause any side effects. The base for my keratin treatment is an ingredient that you wouldn't have guessed at all. It is whey water. Whey water is the yellow water that we discard after making paneer at home. Usually for homemade protein treatments, we use egg. But since I didn't want to use egg, I substituted it with whey water. Whey water is very rich in protein, and though I use some of it in gravies, most of it I usually discard. But lately, I have been using it in skin and hair treatments and it works amazingly well. Unlike the chemical-based keratin treatment, this natural treatment works so well in not only smoothing rough and frizzy hair, but it also strengthens the hair along with promoting hair growth, and we can also use it often. The first ingredient we need for this treatment is a hair growth promoting herb. I prefer bringraj powder for this recipe as it promotes hair growth and treats premature graying of the hair. But depending on where you're living, you can use any hair growth promoting herb that you have access to. Some of the good choices are brahmi powder, curry leaf powder, hibiscus powder, amla powder, etc. You can also use neem powder if you're suffering from scalp problems. The second ingredient we need is an unrefined oil. Using an oil in this recipe is a must, even if you have very oily hair. I have tried this recipe with virgin coconut oil and extra virgin olive oil, and both work so well. If you have very dry hair, you can add in few drops of cold pressed castor oil along with coconut oil too. The third ingredient we need is whey water. To make whey water, we need to make paneer. To make paneer, boil milk, and once it comes to a boil, switch off and start adding curd. Add curd till the milk starts separating. Once the milk fully separates, strain to get homemade paneer, also called as cottage cheese. The resulting yellow liquid is called whey water. Strain the whey water again through a fine strainer, let cool completely, and then use. The final ingredient we need is fresh aloe vera gel. For this recipe, I would suggest using fresh aloe vera gel for best results. Aloe vera, if used in a pack like this, does some amazing things to a hair. It softens, conditions, and smoothens out frizzy hair, and it also helps repair dry and damaged hair as well. To use, first cut a fresh aloe vera leaf, wash off the slimy green juice completely, cut in half, and scoop out the gel and then use. Take 2 tablespoons of bringraj powder in a cup. Add in 1.5 teaspoons of unrefined oil of your choice. Now add in the aloe vera gel. Finally, add in enough whey water to get a smooth paste. Now grind this mixture to get a smooth spreadable paste. To use, apply this mixture all over the hair and scalp. Wait for about 20 to 30 minutes and then wash and condition your hair as usual. This homemade keratin treatment is very cost effective and I would highly suggest you give it a try without fail. Even if you don't have access to fresh aloe vera gel, try it with store-bought gel. Just make sure it's free of color and perfume. If you try this natural keratin treatment once, you'll never go back to using expensive chemical-based keratin treatments again. I hope you found this video useful. If you like to support me in this channel, please share this video with your friends. It'll mean a lot to me. If you like to get detailed information on herbs on days I don't post videos, press the notification button. Thank you for watching this video.